Namaskar, welcome everyone to Yoga with Heena Vaze and I am your instructor Neha. Welcome to our 10 minutes 30 days series. If you're looking for an easy option like where to start yoga, you are at the right place. Please subscribe to the channel right away and start your journey to yoga right now. So today is day 4th and if you have just reached to this video, I would request you that please start from day 1 and then come to day 4 of your practice. And my humble request, please subscribe to the channel so that you get notifications whenever I post a new video. And you can share this series to your friends and family so that they can also start their fitness journey. Now coming to our practice, please place your mat and sit on it very comfortably into Siddhasana as I am sitting. My left leg is down, right leg is up and I am sitting in Siddhasana. Place your hands in Jnana Mudra, back gently straight and eyes closed. Relax. Breathe in. Breathe out. Calm down. Leave all your thoughts outside. Focus only on yourself. Let's chant Omkar 3 times. Breathe in. Breathe in. Breathe in. Rub your palms. Cup your eyes. Open your eyes in your hands. Rub your palms on your face. Relax. Welcome again to the session everyone, and now we will begin with our practice. For that, please stand up on your places. Try to stand without any support. Now first things first, a little bit of warm up. Loosen up your hands. Take one hand up at a time, right and left, right and left. Continue. Remember to inhale and exhale deeply. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and relax. Gentle rotation of your neck in half circles. Bend it down and again in half circles. Center and relax. Now we'll go for leg movement. Take your hands in front of your chest. Take one leg up at a time. Nine, 8, 7. Don't move your hands, only your legs. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and relax. Take a breath. Breathe in and out. Calm down. Now what we'll do, we'll bend forward and again come up. Okay? We'll loosen up our hands like this. Now take it up, down. You have to keep your hands loosened up and down. This way. Use your back. Use your arms. 5, 3, 2, and 1. Relax. Again, take a breath. Breathe in and out. Calm down. Sure. Let's continue. Now we'll take shoulder level distance between our legs. Now open out your right leg. Go to squatting pose. And up. Join it together. Open your left leg. Go for squat. And up. In continuation. Right. Down. Left. Down. Come on, everyone. Those who are taking a break in between, the break should not be this much long. Continue with me. The only trick, you have to keep breathing so that your body doesn't feel exhausted. That's 4, 1, 2, 3, and one last. 4. And relax. Calm down. Relax yourself. Calm down. Now we'll be continuing with a series of asanas. For that you have to come to inverted dog, downward dog position, palms center, legs back. Now first understand the perfect inverted dog. You have to try to touch your heels down. If you're not able to touch them down, walk a little bit forward and then touch it down. You have to lock your knees and try to push your upper back inwards. Open your hips. Inhale and exhale. Let's hold here for at least 10 counts. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now slowly lift your right leg straight up. Push your chest in. Both the knees will be locked and toes are pointing out. From here, take your right leg in between your hands and dropping my left knee down. Toes are outside. Now take your both the hands straight above your head and try to arch your back. Stretch as much as you can and hold. Keep breathing, deep inhalation and exhalation for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly put the hands down. Tuck your toes left. Take your right leg straight up. Slowly down. Let's repeat with the left. Left leg straight up and stretch. Keep holding. Left leg in between your hands. Toes pointing out, hips pushed in. Arch your back. Keep breathing. 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly down. Tuck your toes. Lift. Lift your left leg up. slowly down. Take a breath and we will repeat the series one more time. Lift your right leg straight up and hold. Right leg in between your hands. Stretch and hold. Both the hands down. Again, right leg straight up. Slowly down. Left leg straight up. Left leg in between your hands. Stretch. Slowly come back. Left leg straight up. Left leg down. Knees down. Spread your knees apart and relax in Shashankas. If your hands are pumped up, you can take them back and relax them. Both the hands under your shoulders, lift up. Sit in Vajrasana. Take a breath in Vajrasana. Once you feel comfortable, we will continue. Now you have to come on our elbows. Come on your elbows. Make a fist of your hands. Take both your legs back. Come to half plank. Take time to come into proper plank pose. Engage your core and lift up. Again, down and up. Down and up. Now remember, you have to come to proper plank every time. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly come down. Now we are going to relax in Makarasana. Toes will be pointing out. Palms one over another. Head on it. Eyes closed. Try to relax your breathings. Calm down. Once you feel ready and perfectly fine, just turn to one side and come to your comfortable sitting position. You can sit in Siddhasana, Sukhasana, whatever is comfortable for you. Keep a hand on your chest, a hand on your belly. Simply focus on your breath. Feel the rise and fall of your chest, of your belly. Connect with your breath. Relax. Let's join our hands and chant one Omkar with 3 Shantis. Breathe in. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Rub your palms. Cup your eyes. Open your eyes in your hands. Rub your palms on your face, on your body. Thank you. Thank you so much everyone for completing your day 4. इसी तरह से हमारे साथ जुड़े रहिए. For a healthy and happier life, please share the video with your friends and family, and very importantly, please subscribe to my channel for all the latest videos. I'll see you in the next one. Take care. Bye bye.